A commonly asked question is how many hours a day should I practice? First and foremost, you need to remember that it is quality over quantity. Now let's get into some numbers. So if you want to get decent at digital art pretty quickly, you need to dedicate 4 to 6 hours a day, preferably every single day, for your practice sessions. And watching digital art tutorials don't factor into that. You gotta put 4 to 6 hours into the craft. Now, if you want to get better even faster, you can put in 8 to 10 hours. However, that can only be done for a short while. It's not at all sustainable. I absolutely don't recommend any more. You'll either burn out or injure yourself. Some people can even burn out with 8 hours if they do it long enough. Now, you might say, well, what about pros? Don't they draw like 8 hours a day at work? The answer to that is not really. You have several meetings to attend to, you spend some time socializing with your coworkers, so you end up drawing 6 to 7 hours tops. You also have the weekend to rest and recoup. Now, more often than not, people do end up overworking, and that affects the longevity of their careers. So work smart and take regular breaks. Don't beat yourself up if you don't manage to draw every single day. It's not the end of the world. Just try to be as consistent as you can. In fact, I would recommend taking a break once every few weeks.